English tip by tip.
Tip 86.
Master Comparatives.
Compare two things adding er or using more than. One syllable adjectives. Add er. Example. Tall becomes taller. Shorter, 3. Taller, 3. Two-syllable adjectives ending in y. Change y to I and add er. Example. Happy becomes happier. Happier boy. Adjectives with 3 or more syllables. Always use more. Example. Expensive becomes more expensive. More expensive dress.
Dialogue.
I'm torn. Is Tokyo significantly more expensive than Kyoto?
Can be, but the experience is altogether more vibrant. However, Kyoto is far more peaceful and nowhere near as crowded as the capital.
True. I guess the further away you get from the city center, the more affordable the hotels become.
Exactly. And honestly, the food in Kyoto is every bit as delicious as in Tokyo, just slightly more traditional.
Well, the sooner I book, the better the deals I'll get.
Exercise. Complete. John is taller than his brother. The blue car is more expensive than the red one. The green skirt is shorter than the red one. My house is bigger than yours. I'm feeling happier now.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.